ഹലോ ഡിയേഴ്സ്, ഇൻസെപ്റ്റയുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 4 നടന്ന മോട്ടോർ ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് സബ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടർ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ കേരള PSC എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കീ ഡിസ്കഷനാണ്. 2006 ഈ എക്സാം നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ വന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ ഓൺലൈൻ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കീസാണ് നമ്മളിന്നിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: Which of the following is an output device? A. Microphone, keyboard, digitizer, speakers. Answer option D, speakers. What is MICR? Options: Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, Microsoft Intrinsic Code Recorder, Magnetic Intensity Code Recognition, Micro Information Code Recorder. Answer option A, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Next question: What is the binary representation of decimal number 1, 2? Options: 1010, 1100, 1011, 1110. Answer option B, 1100. Next question: Which of the following is not a key property of a transaction carried out in a database system? Options: durability, atomicity, information, consistency. Answer option C, information. Next question: Which type of software is used for creating slideshows? Answer option C, presentation software. Next question: Which of the following lets a computer communicate with a variety of musical instruments? MIDI, DMIAC, CDMA, DMIIC. Option A, right answer, MIDI. Next question: An attack that tries to flood a computer resource with more requests than it can handle is known as. Options: firewall, spyware, worms, DOS attack. Answer option D, DOS, means denial of service attack. Next: malicious software that pose a legitimate programs or files that user may recognize and want to use are known as. Options: Trojan, spam, worm, shield. Answer option A, Trojan. Next question: Which of the following is a certified authority to issue digital signature certificates in India? Options: CCA, SafeScript, METI, ISP. Answer option B, SafeScript. Next question: The Information Technology Act was made effective from. Options: 27 October 2009, 17 October 2008, 27 October 2001, 17 October 2000. Answer option D, 17 October 2000. Next question: In which place in Kerala the Institute of Driver Training and Research situated? Options: Kollam, Edappal, Aluva, Thiruvananthapuram. Right answer option B, Edappal. Next question: What is the fine imposed for vehicles conducting service without valid insurance certificate? Options: 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 500 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Answer option D, 2,000 rupees. Next question: Validity of temporary registration certificate of new vehicles. Options: 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, 31 days. Answer option A, 30 days. Next question: Function of EGR valve is reduce dash. Options: noise, emission, vibration, air intake. Answer option B, emission. Next question: The term used to indicate the distance between the center lines of the front and rear axles of a vehicle is called. Options: wheel tract, wheelbase, Tire width, body width. Answer option B, wheelbase. Next question. What type of registration number plates are used in electric transport vehicles? Options: black lettering in yellow background, black lettering in white background, white lettering in green background, yellow lettering in green background. Answer option D, yellow lettering in green background. Next question. MACT deal with options: fitness test, driving test, accident claim, vision test. Answer option C, accident claim. Next question. When the horn button is pressed, the current flows to horn through options: flusher unit, horn relay, battery, starter motor. Answer option B, horn relay. Next question. What is the speed limit of a motor car in state highways? Options: 90 km per hour, 80 km per hour, 60 km per hour, 85 km per hour. Answer option B, 80 km per hour. Next question. Overspeeding in vehicles, violation of section dash of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 and the rules made there under. Options: 120, 113, 112, 115. Answer option C, 112. Next question. In arc welding, the temperature of heat produced by the electric arc is the order of options: 3000 to 4000 degrees Celsius, 4000 to 5000 degrees Celsius, 5000 to 6000 degrees Celsius, 6000 to 7000 degrees Celsius. Right answer option D, 6000 to 7000 degrees Celsius. Next question. The temperature of air recorded by a thermometer when its bulb is surrounded by a wet cloth exposed to the air is called options: wet bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature, dew point temperature, none of these. Right answer option A, wet bulb temperature. Next question. The ratio of heat extracted in the refrigerator to the work done on the refrigerant is called options: coefficient of performance of refrigeration, coefficient of performance of heat pump, relative coefficient of performance, refrigerating efficiency. Answer option A, coefficient of performance of refrigeration. Next question. A water tank contains 1.3 meter deep water. The pressure exerted by the water per meter length of the tank is options: 2.89 kilonewton, 8.29 kilonewton, 9.28 kilonewton, 28.9 kilonewton. Answer option B, 8.29 kilonewton. Next question. Carburizing flame is used to weld options: steel, cast iron, copper, aluminum, etc., brass and bronze, hard surfacing materials such as satellite, all of these. Answer option C, hard surfacing materials such as satellite. Next question. Shock resisting steels should have options: low wear resistance, low hardness, low tensile strength, toughness. Answer option D, toughness. Next question. A eutectic steel consists of polyperlite, polyaustenite, perlite and ferrite, perlite and cementite. Answer option A, polyperlite. Next question. Side rack angles of a single point cutting tool is the angle options: by which the face of the tool is inclined towards back, by which the face of the tool is inclined sideways, between the surface of the flank immediately below the point and a plane at right angles to the center line of the point of the tool. Between the surface of flank immediately below the point and a line drawn from the point perpendicular to the base. Answer option B, by which the face of the tool is inclined sideways. Next question, the percentage of carbon in cast iron varies from options 0.1 to 0.5, 0.5 to 1, 1 to 1.7, 1.7 to 4.5. Answer option D, 1.7 to 4.5. Next question, static friction is always dash dynamic friction. Options equal to, less than, greater than, none of these. Answer option C, greater than. Next question, strain energy is the options energy stored in a body when strained within elastic limits, energy stored in a body when strained up to the breaking of a specimen, maximum strain energy which can be stored in a body, proof resilience per unit volume of a material. Answer option A, energy stored in a body when strained within elastic limits. Next question, Euler's formula holds good only for and options short columns, long columns, both short and long columns, weak columns. Answer option B, long columns. Next question, a body is subjected to a tensile stress of 1200 megapascal on one plane and another tensile stress of 600 megapascal on a plane at a right angle to the former. It is also subjected to a shear stress of 400 megapascal on the same planes. The maximum normal stress will be options 400 megapascal, 500 megapascal, 900 megapascal, 1400 megapascal. Answer option D, 1400 megapascal. Next question, smelting is the process of options removing the impurities like clay, sand, etc. from the iron ore by washing with water, expelling moisture, carbon dioxide, sulfur and arsenic from the iron ore by heating in shallow kilns, reducing the ore with carbon in the presence of a flux, all of the above. Answer option C, reducing the ore with carbon in the presence of a flux. Next question, 1 liter of water occupies a volume of options 100 centimeter cube, 250 centimeter cube, 500 centimeter cube, 1000 centimeter cube. Right answer option D, 1000 centimeter cube. Next question, in reaction turbine, draft tube is used. Options to transport water downstream without eddies, to convert the kinetic energy to flow energy by a gradual expansion of the flow cross section, for safety of turbine, to increase flow rate. Answer option B, to convert the kinetic energy to flow energy by a gradual expansion of the flow cross section. Next question, a 4-cylinder engine has a capacity of 2.4 liters. The swept volume of one cylinder is options 400 centimeter cube, 600 centimeter cube, 1200 centimeter cube, 2400 centimeter cube. Answer option B, 600 centimeter cube. Next question, coefficient of contraction is the ratio of options actual velocity of jet at vena contracta to the theoretical velocity, loss of head in the orifice to the head of water available at the exit of the orifice, actual discharge through an orifice to the theoretical discharge, area of jet at vena contracta to area of orifice. Option D, area of jet at vena contracta to the area of orifice. Next question, which of the following is not a surface finishing process? Options: honing, buffing, turning, lapping. Answer option C, turning. Next question, the process of increasing the cross section of a bar at the expense of its length is called options: drawing down, spinning, upsetting, pinning. Answer option C, upsetting. Next question, the mechanical efficiency of an impulse turbine is options: ratio of the actual power produced by the turbine to the energy actually supplied by the turbine, ratio of actual work available at the turbine to the energy imparted to the wheel, ratio of work done on the wheel to the energy of the jet. None of the above. Answer option B, ratio of the actual work available at the turbine to the energy imparted to the wheel. Next question, the process of beveling sharp ends of a workpiece is called as options: knurling, grooving, facing, chamfering. Answer option D, chamfering. Next question, what is meant by drag in casting process? Options: upper part of a casting flask, molten metal, lower part of a casting flask, upper and lower part of casting flask. Answer option C, lower part of casting flask. Next question, a cycle consisting of one constant pressure, one constant volume and two isentropic processes is known as options: diesel cycle, Stirling cycle, Otto cycle, Carnot cycle. Answer option A, diesel cycle. Next question, the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of a unit mass of gas through 1 degree at constant volume is called options: specific heat at constant volume, specific heat at constant pressure, kilojoule, none of these. Answer option A, specific heat at constant volume. Next question, an adiabatic process is one in which options: no heat enters or leaves the gas, the temperature of the gas changes, the change in internal energy is equal to the mechanical work done, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Next question, the compression ratio of petrol engine is options: 3 to 6, 5 to 8, 15 to 2, 20 to 30. Answer option B, 5 to 8. Next question, in a glass tube type water indicator for a boiler, one end of the tube is connected to water space and the other end is connected to options: water space also, chimney, steam space, superheater. Answer option C, steam space. Next question, in a 4-cylinder engine, the swept volume of all the cylinders are called options: compression ratio, piston displacement, engine capacity, total volume. Answer option C, engine capacity. Next question, ovality and taperness are measured for options: headlamp, engine cylinders, starter motors, batters. Next question, anti-freezing solution is employed as options: coolant material, lubricant, electrolyte, brake fluid. Answer option A, coolant material. Next question, pump and injector are combined into single unit in the case of dash system. Options: unit injector, jerk pump, common rail, distributor. Answer option A, unit injector. Next question. Close of a valve after TDC or BDC is called. Options: valve lead, valve lash, valve overlap, valve lag. Answer option D, valve lag. Next question. Plastic gauge is employed to measure. Options: toe in, bearing clearance, torque, engine speed. Answer option B, bearing clearance. Next question. Main purpose of harmonic balancer is to control. Options: noise level, emission from engine, steering stability, torsional vibrations. Answer option D, torsional vibrations. Next question. Which among the following is not a part of crankshaft? Options: shank, main journal, crank web, counterweight. Answer option A, shank. Next question. Rapid movement of air from the cylinder walls to cylinder center occurring as the piston moves upward during compression stroke is called. Options: scavenging, squishing, shrill, blow-by. Answer option B, squish. Next question. Which among the following is not used in catalytic converter? Options: platinum, chromium, palladium, rhodium. Answer option B, chromium. Next question. In Hotchkiss drive, torque reaction is taken by. Options: propeller shaft, frame, springs, axle casings. Answer option C, springs. Next question. A release bearing in a clutch assembly is also known as. Options: main bearing, roller bearing, throwout bearing, bush bearing. Answer option C, throwout bearing. Next question. To sustain a steady speed under varying road condition, thus allowing vehicle to drive to relax from constant foot throttle manipulation is called. Options: cruise control, all-wheel drive, viscous coupling, continuously variable transmission. Answer option A, cruise control. Next question. Pedal shift is employed in dash type of gearbox. Options: synchro mesh, sliding mesh, constant mesh, sequential. Answer option D, sequential. Next question. Fading is a complaint related to brakes, steering, headlight, tires. Answer option A, brakes. Next question. Shackle is a part of. Options: air brake system, steering system, leaf spring assembly, wheels. Answer option C, leaf spring assembly. Next question. A SI engine continues to run for a very small period of time even after ignition key is switched off. This phenomenon is called. Options: afterburning, ignition load, dieseling, spark advance. Answer option C, dieseling. Next question. Dimmer switch is a part of dash circuit. Options: turn signal light, headlamp, charging, rectifier. Answer option B, headlamp. Next question. Anti-dazzle devices are employed in dash system. Options: indicator, starting, headlamp, charging. Answer option C, headlamp. Next question. The ballast resistor in ignition system serves the following function. Options: improves cold starting, produces high voltage, breaks primary circuit, reduces arcing. Answer option A, improves cold starting. Next question, length of the threaded portion of the spark plug is called. Options, shell, ceramic insulator, reach, core nose. Answer option C, reach. Next question, the purpose of overrunning clutch in a starter motor drive is to. Options, engage the pinion, disengage the pinion, start the motor, avoid damage to motor. Answer option D, avoid damage to motor. Next question, steering wander is called when dash occurs. Options, the oscillation of front wheels, excessive backlash, effort required to steer is more, the moving of vehicle is one side. Answer option D, the moving of vehicle in one side. Next question, the angle between wheel axis to the vertical line when viewing from the front of the vehicle is called. Options, kingpin inclination, camber angle, caster angle, toe in. Answer option B, camber angle. Next question, brake camber in a air brake system is used for. Options, actuating the cam, compressing the air, releasing the air, storing the air. Answer option A, actuating the cam. Next question, the component which reduces the tendency of the vehicle to roll on either side when taking a turn is called. Options, torsion bar, telescopic shock absorber, axle shaft, stabilizer bar. Answer option D, stabilizer bar. Next question, the angle between the direction of motion of vehicle and the center plane of tire is known as. Options, turning radius, slip angle, wheel alignment, toe out. Answer option B, slip angle. Next question, plumb line method is using for checking the defects in. Options, brake system, lighting circuit, fuel line, chassis frame. Answer option D, chassis frame. Next question, pick out the one which is not a type of stub axle. Options, elliptical, Lemoyne, Elliott, reversed Lemoyne. Answer option A, elliptical. Next question, ply rating in tires indicates. Options, type of tire, size of tire, thread thickness, relative tire strength. Answer option D, relative tire strength. Next question, any motor vehicle constructed to carry more than 6 persons excluding the driver is called. Options, maxi cab, invalid carriage, omnibus, contract carriage. Answer option C, omnibus. Next question, attraction of a trip when the vehicle is traveling is. Options, starting point of journey, beautiful places around, zones of destinations, sites during trip. Answer option C, zones of destinations. Next question, the inward transverse inclination provided to the cross section of a carriageway on horizontal curved portion of a road is. Options, gradient, super elevation, summit curve, camber. Answer option B, super elevation. Next question, the validity of certificate of fitness of a private car in India for the first time is. Options, 15 years, 10 years, 2 years, 1 year. Answer option A, 15 years. Next question, the alternate mode of a flexible passenger transportation that does not follow fixed routes and schedules is called? Options: maglev, trailer on flat car, paratransit, light rail transit. Answer option C, paratransit. Next question. A bus route which has starting and terminating point is same is called? Options: urban routes, suburban routes, mofussil routes, ring routes. Answer option D, ring routes. Next question. A document which include statistical trip record and trip sheet in a bus operation is called? Options: waybill, duty roster, fare table, Sonard sheet. Answer option A, waybill. Next question. The yaw rate sensor in electronic stability control measures. Options: wheel speed, rolling tendency, steering wheel angle, actual car turning. Answer option D, actual car turning. Next question. White smoke from diesel engine arises due to? Options: suspension of soot particles, low operating temperature, incomplete combustion, excessive lubrication oil combustion. Next question. CRDI is related to? Options: ignition system, fuel system, suspension system, emission norms. Answer option B, fuel system. Next question. Article 360 of Indian Constitution deals with? Options: national emergency, special status to Jammu and Kashmir, financial emergency, Election Commission of India. Answer option C, financial emergency. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with the fundamental duties mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Number 1. It incorporated into the Constitution by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. Number 2. 10 fundamental duties were included by the 42nd Amendment Act. Number 3. The 11th fundamental duty was incorporated by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Options: 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Answer option D, 1, 2 and 3. Next question. In the case of death of the Vice President, the national flag shall be half-masted. Options: throughout the country, throughout the Delhi the only, throughout the native state the Vice President belongs to, throughout the national capital and native state of Vice President. Answer option A, throughout the country. Next question. Which of the following statement is or are not true about the status of governor of a state in India? Options: appointment of the same person as a governor for 2 or more states is possible. A governor acts as an agent of the central government. A governor is a nominal executive head or constitutional head of the state. The office of governor of a state is an employment under the central government. Answer option D. The office of governor of a state is an employment under the central government. Next question. Choose the false statement among the following. Options: Article 31C was introduced by the 25th Constitutional Act, which gave Article 39B and 39C precedence over fundamental rights. Article 44, to protect all monuments of historic interest and national importance. Article 40, to organize village panchayats as units of self-movement. The 25th Constitutional Act came to be challenged before the Supreme Court in Keshavananda Bharati case, 1973? Answer option B, Article 44, to protect all monuments of historic interest and national importance. Next question. The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the framework of options: Cabinet Mission, Simon Commission, Cripps Mission, Mountbatten Plan. Answer option A, Cabinet Mission. Next question. Choose the wrong statement among the following statements. Constituent Assembly ratified the India's membership of the Commonwealth in May 1949. Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag on July 22, 1953. Constituent Assembly adopted the national song on January 24, 1950. Constituent Assembly adopted the national anthem on January 24, 1950. Answer option B, Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag on July 22, 1953. Next question. Dash is India's highest military decoration, awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Options: he allocates and reshuffles various portfolios among the ministers. He can ask a minister to resign or advise the president to dismiss him in case of difference of opinion. He recommends persons who can be appointed as ministers by the president. All of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Last question. The maximum membership of Rajya Sabha is limited to options: 250, 225, 450, 445. Answer option A, 250. Thank you.